Radhika Sundar. I'm a registered psychotherapist and registered marriage and family therapist. I started Omfamilytherapy to help families navigate through challenges when they are going through changes in their life. I offer individual psychotherapy sessions to both adults and children. I also provide marriage and family therapy services. These are group sessions. The sessions are usually conducted in person through the clinic and virtually. For further information, please do not hesitate to email me, radhika@omfamilytherapy.com. I look forward to working with you and your family.